Welcome back to another episode of Casting and Cooking. Today we're making pellet grilled hasselback potatoes. If you're not already following, click down in that bottom right corner and smash that subscribe button. You want to start off by slicing your potatoes about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick without going all the way down. You can use a spoon, chopsticks, or a barbecue brush or any other kitchen object as I'm using here. Next, you want to coat a pan with non-stick cooking spray. Next, we're going to brush on a mixture of butter, salt, pepper, and parsley. Spread evenly, try to get in all the cracks. This will help give your potatoes that nice golden brown color and help them crisp up while cooking. Next, we got some bacon and cheddar we went ahead and cubed up. We're going to go ahead and stuff that between the slices of this one here and the other one. We got a cream cheese chive sauce. We're going to go ahead and finish the other one off at the end. You want to go ahead and make sure you get this in between every single slice, and that's going to crisp up nicely inside the pellet smoker. Finish off our parsley butter mixture here, and we're going to be ready to get these bad boys on the pellet grill. We got our pellet grill at 400 degrees. We're going to cook for about 45 minutes to an hour until the potato is fork tender. We're about halfway through. As you can see, the bacon starting to crisp up. Our potatoes starting to get golden brown. We're going to slice up some fresh chives to be used in our cream cheese chive sauce and for garnish. Our potatoes have been cooking for about an hour now. They're a nice golden brown, they're fork tender, and they're ready to come off the pellet smoker. So we're going to make our cream cheese chive sauce. We're going to add some cream cheese. We're going to add a little bit of milk. We're going to add some kosher salt. We're going to add a little bit of cracked black pepper. We're going to add some chopped fresh chives. We're going to go ahead and heat that up till everything starts melting. Once everything starts melting and breaking down, we're going to go ahead and whisk that together so we get a nice creamy texture. Just when it starts sticking to the whisk, we're going to go ahead and cut the heat, and we're going to let that settle, and that's when it's time to go and pour it on our potatoes. We have our cream cheese chive sauce. We're going to go ahead and pour that on the potato. We're going to try to get it in between all the little cracks. Once we pour that on, we're going to finish everything off with a little bit of chive, and then we are done. So this is hasselback potatoes, pellet smoked on the Cuisinart Twin Oaks grill. Thanks for watching Casting and Cooking Barbecue, where my job is to get you hooked on barbecue. If you like what you've seen, don't forget to comment below and smash that subscribe button. Catch you next time.